Now, if we move to our external disk drives, first of all, why? Why do we have external disk drives? Well, keep in mind, what I have on the screen here is a little bit deceiving because I suppose I'm illustrating a smashed up internal magnetic hard drive. The fact of the matter is this could have been internal or external. Okay, because most of the storage that we've talked about can be internal or now also has an external connection capability. The point I guess I'm trying to illustrate is that rather than keeping data in one place and just have it inside your computer, sometimes it's not a bad idea to also have it duplicated out, or some might say backed up, to an external device. But an external device also allows you to take data and move it from computer to computer very easily. Move large quantities of data from one person to another. Now there's many different connections that we can use for the external devices. There is something called eSATA, which is external SATA. So if you have a SATA drive, you can actually connect not just internally, but you can also have an external connection. There's USB, which is what's actually illustrated on the drive that's on the screen. The one thing I will tell you is if you have, let's say, a PATA hard drive, right? You have your parallel ATA drive or your IDE drive. There are external USB casings that you can buy that you can put that ATA drive inside of, and it converts it then into a USB connection to turn it into an external drive on your computer. We also have IEEE 1394A, otherwise known as FireWire. And then we have SCSI, which I had mentioned a few moments ago. We have external capabilities. Please keep in mind that this also includes optical drives, okay, not just the actual hard drives themselves. You can have external CD, DVD drives, things like that.